already mentioned that the other day, that the Secretary of Labor has drafted a bill. In fact, that's what the Senate wants. Para daw siguradong yung gusto ng Malacanang, ang may pasa, mag-drop na lang ng bill. O yan nga ang ginagawa. Even without being told, gumawa na ang Department of Labor na Security of Tenure Bill. Hopefully, they will support it.
Kasi in September 2018, the President certified the bill as urgent, then vinito niya yung bill. There have been questions if why veto a bill he certified as urgent. Isn't...
Ano ba naman yung argumentong yun? Kahit pa sinertify mong urgent, kung dumating yung bill na hindi yung gusto mong maipasa, syempre, i-veto mo.
Isn't this a failure on the part of PLLO, sir, since parang sila yung nag-coordinate sa Congress?
Not necessarily. Kasi kahit naman i-coordinate at sinabi mo sa kanila na yun ang gusto mo, at kung yung mga senador naman, iba naman ang gusto, ano naman magagawa mo doon? Mas mabuti na nga yan na veto para nagkaalaman kung ano talaga ang sa pananaw ni Presidente. He is making a balancing act, weighing the interests of management and the working class. O di ba? Mas mabuti na nagkakaalaman. We have to educate ourselves, each one of us. Kung anong mas nakakabuti sa bayan, yun ang gawin natin. Yung anong tawag nun? Blaming pointing, finger pointing. Huwag na natin gawin yon. Palagi tayong maging bukas kung sa tingin natin nagkulang tayo, di punuan natin.
Okay, Tina?
So it's not...
But it doesn't mean that the members of the Senate and the House in crafting the bill were not in support of the President. Neither does it mean that they don't have the interest at heart of the working class. No. What we're saying is, there may be, kahit anong galing natin, there may be occasions that we might not see that others can. So that's precisely why I said, let's be open to suggestions.
Precisely, sir. Can you please educate us and the public about the role of the PLLO in the crafting of bills and coordinating what form or provisions that Malacanang needs to see?
Their job is to coordinate with Congress. Nadali nila doon yung mga bills, sasabihin nila, ito ang agenda ni Presidente, ito yung mga bills, baka pwede niyong ipasa. Yun lang naman ang trabaho nila. They cannot dictate on the members of the Senate or the House of Reps. They can only go as much or even as less.